Most creators don't fail because they are small. They fail because they believe one myth that keep them broke forever. People think if I don't have 100k followers, nobody will buy. If I am not famous, nobody will listen. But here is the truth. Some of the most profitable creators online are invisible practically. They have tiny audience, zero glamorous, zero hype. And today, I am going to destroy the myth that holding 90% of creators hostage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, hostage. Let's start with this post from Reddit. A user writes, you don't have to be an expert to give advice. You just have to be one step ahead of the person you are helping. One step ahead. Not 100 step, not guru level, just one. And this is not just Reddit opinion. The creator educated world also agree. Founder published an article and title was how to launch and sell an online course without being an expert. You don't need to learn complete. The whole message is about your experience is enough. You don't need the perfect resume to help someone who is earlier in a journey. And here is one more article. Come. The creator explained how he launched his course with micro audience and still pre-sold it. Because people don't buy follower counts, they buy clarity, result and value. So now the myth is already broken. Let me show you exactly why. The idea that big follower is equal to big money is one of the oldest and most destructive lie in creator culture. Here is the truth. Big audience is equal to views, but a small targeted audience is equal to money. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right 2,000, 10,000, even 15,000 people who have a problem you can solve better than anyone else they follow. Let me break down why small creator often more earn than big creator. Number one reason is small creator build real trust, not vanity metrics. If you have 10,000 to 15,000 followers, you actually know them, you reply to their comment, you DM them, you recognize names, you genuinely help them. That level of connection creates trust, and trust is what convert. But big creator, their comments look like a battlefield. They get thousands of messages they will never see. They can't reply, they can't connect, they can't build depth. So yes, they have a scale, but you have something far more valuable. Relationship driven influence. That's why I'm saying small creator win. Reason number two is early buy come from tight communities, not a big audience. Wait, I'm explaining. Your first customer almost never come from a huge audience. They come from tight niche community where people trust each other and share the same problem. Remember just one thing. People buy from niche subreddit where everyone discuss the same struggle. Discord group built around a specific skill or interest. Small niche YouTube channel where your name actually means something. They do not come from random viral views from a stranger who sweep past your content in 2 seconds. That's why I'm saying small creator win. They're deep inside their niche, listening, responding, participating, understanding the problem from the inside. They become part of the community, not a distance influencer. And when you are embedded in a niche, people see you as one of us, but one step ahead. That's exactly the type of person they buy from first. Reason number three, beginner focused creator sell more. Why? Because there are way more beginner in a world than expert. People don't want to learn from the perfect guru. They want someone who is just a few steps ahead. Someone who remember their pain, their confusion, their early struggle. This is why beginner to beginner teaching works so well. It's relatable, honest and practical. So, you want proof? So let me show you a real example from Reddit. A user shared something brutal honest. I used to struggle with choosing a niche. In my head, I had two options. Number one, build a skill until I felt like an expert. Or number two, exaggerate my skill and fake it. I found my answer, positioning for beginner only. So what did he do? He created simple ebook and beginner level courses. And he was upfront, he was not a master. Just someone who understands the basic better than the people he wanted to help. And the result, six figure. Literally, bro, six figure. Not because he is the best in the world, not because he have massive audience, not because pretended to be something he was not. He won because he positioned himself correctly. Serve beginner, speak their language, solve the problem you have already solved for yourself. Clarity, honesty, and simplicity. That's the formula most creators ignore. Here is your step-by-step plan to make this work, even with a tiny follower. Yeah, pick a niche small enough to dominate. Bad niches: fitness, motivation, marketing. Good niches: beginner, home workout for skinny guys, mindset for introvert teens, marketing for bakery owner. Small niches is equal to fast trust. Number two, embrace the beginner teaching model. Ask yourself, what problem did I solve in the last 1 to 2 years? Those problems is equal to your content plus your product. Your product.
Huh?
Sorry. Teach what you learned recently while it's still fresh. This is more valuable than distance expert wisdom. Step 3, soft launch in a small community. Don't wait for Instagram to blow up. Don't wait for algorithm to bless you. Go where your people already hang out. Reddit community, Discord server, YouTube channel. A small group of 10,000 highly focused people can outperform 1 lakh random follower. So here is the truth. You don't need thousands followers. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to wait for someday. You just need 3 things: a small focus niche, a painful problem you have already solved, and a courage to help people who are just one step behind you. And if you already have a small but loyal community and you are confused about what product should I create, what will actually sell, how do I package it, how do I launch it, that's lot of literally, bro. So here me and my team literally handle everything for you. We will help you find your perfect product idea, validate it so you don't waste time, write the script, edit the videos, build and manage your landing page, and guide your whole launch strategy. So here is the best thing: you don't pay upfront. We take revenue share. So we only win when you win. If that sounds like something you want help with, so email me now. So part 2 is coming next. Stay tuned.